Hello and welcome to Just Cuisine Kitchen. Thank you so much for clicking. This is where we cook, eat and have fun, and of course make some money. If you're new to the channel, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your subscription. We are now at 50 subscribers in a week. Wow, I'm so happy. I'm so humbled that you considered subscribing to our channel and joining the Just family. Remember to also subscribe to our Just World channel, and you get more about travel, finance, charity, and personal development. Let us grow all round. In today's video, we are going to review package of snacks by various supermarkets and a few things that really gets on my nerves when I buy my snacks from different places. See you on the next side. In the first packaging here, this is arrowroot ndoma, which is for breakfast from Naivas. As you can see, it is packed with serviette and a fork. Very nice and presentable. When we go to the next pack, we have arrowroot from Carrefour. As you can see, it is packed in paper. Also, a samosa from Carrefour is packed also in a paper. However, for Carrefour, they don't even give you a serviette. But for Quickmart, there is a serviette. Yes, there is a serviette. So at least you have a whole package. Carrefour, they don't give serviettes, nor do they give spoon unless you ask for it when you are ordering your meal. And this is an experience I've had. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep it here for more reviews. Remember to subscribe if you have not already subscribed.